Hello children, how are you? Very good children. You are watching Doordarshan classes? Are you watching video lessons? Very good children. Now keep watching video lessons which are telling by our teachers. Okay now? Very good. Did you remember yesterday's class? Yes. Do you tell me what is the name of the lesson? Very good. The Birbal outwits the cheat. Very good children. Okay children, can we recall what has happened in previous pictures? Shall we see the pictures once again? In picture number 1, one boy poured ink on the paper. Very good, nice. And second picture, some other boy took the paper and went to teacher. Very good children. And in this third picture, good. The teacher is asking the students, the remaining students, who made this mistake. Can anybody tell? No? Okay, very good. And observe the fourth picture. Yes, the teacher has an idea. She asks the children to show their hands to find out the mistake. Who made the mistake? Is it? Yes, this is a picture interaction in our previous class. Okay children, did you understand that? Very good children. Now let us go to next picture in page number 95. But before going to picture, I want to show some images. Do you want to see the images? Okay, very good children. Now see the images. What do you see in this picture? Yes, a water tap is there. And this picture? Well, very good. And this one? A tank. Nice, very good children. You are observing very nice. And the remaining picture? A bucket. Okay. And water tank. Very good children. Now repeat the words. What are there in the pictures? Water tap, well, tank, bucket, water tanker. One more picture is there. Yes, it is a hand pump. Very good children. So all these pictures are useful to do one thing. Do you know what that? Very good. To carry the water. Isn't it? Where do we find water? Yes, we find water in tanks, water tankers, Mission Bhagirath pipes. Very good children, you are telling very nice. Okay, so these are the sources of water. Okay children, now shall we write vocabulary? New words? Very good. Okay children, then copy write down in your notebooks the vocabulary. Okay now? Now I am writing, you copy down in your notebooks. Okay? Right children? Water tank, hand pump, bucket, borewell, water tanker, well, hand pump. Okay, very good children. So these are the new words for us. You write down in your copy and practice well. Okay now, very good children. Okay, let's go to another image. I want to show you another image. See, observe this picture. Okay children, did you understand the picture? Very good. Who are there in the picture? Two girls. Yes. What are they doing? Yeah, they are filling water in their buckets. Very good. Are they normal? No? Yes. What they are doing? They are quarreling for filling water. Children, did you remember in yesterday's class, the boy went to the teacher and complained to find out the person who poured ink. Is it or not? Yes, you had a very, very good memory. Just like same, are the two girls went to some other person? Okay, let's go. Let's see another image. Okay, what is there in the picture? Here is a queue. All women, they are filling their buckets with water. When the water tank came, all the women went and they are making queue. Yes, they are quarreling each other. Did you see this kind of situation in everywhere, anywhere? Is it? Very good, nice. Okay, children. So, sometimes for getting of water also, quarrels must happen. Is it? In previous picture, the boy went to teacher and complained. And here in this picture, whom will they go and complain? Let you think. Okay, now you can think and write in your words. This is a assignment to you. Okay, children, very good. Let's go to our picture, which is there in our page number 95. Okay, children. Now, all of you open our textbook, page number 95. Children, did you open the textbook? Okay, very good. Now, observe the picture. Children, who are there in the picture? Yes, two people. Okay, what are the things do you see in the picture? A bucket, very good. Where is the bucket? Beside the well, very good, children. So, where are the people standing? Yes, they are standing beside the well, which is under the tree. Now, imagine, children, what might happen before the incident. Are the two persons are looking very happily or worried? Are they looking happy? No. Yes, they are not looking like happiest people. Why? Because they are quarreling each other. Is it? Yes, children, you are observing very nice. So, one person is showing hand and some other person is worrying. Can you imagine what happened before this incident? What might be happen after? Okay, children, let's go to picture. Okay, children, now can we name these two people? It's our individuality. Okay, now let us name these people like Bajrang and Gopal. Okay, now let us give him the names Gopal and Bajrang. So, now I would like to tell you one story about them. Children, do you interested to listen the story? Okay, right, very good. Now, listen carefully. Okay, children. So, basing on this picture, I would like to tell the story. Right, already we have given the names. What are the names? Bajrang, Gopal, very good, nice children. You did a very great work. Now, see what happened between them. Why they are looking worried? Why they are getting angry? Why they are fearing one another? Let us see what happened. Okay, children. Right. Listen carefully, children. Now I am telling the story. Okay, children. Right. Once upon a time, in the kingdom of Akbar, there was a man called Bajrang. Okay, children. What is the name of the man? Bajrang. Okay, Bajrang was very poor. He wanted to start a business. What he wanted to start it? He wanted to start a business. Why he wanted to start a business? Can you think? Yes, he wanted to become rich. Okay, children. What is the name of the person? Yes, Bajrang. What kind of person Bajrang was? He was very poor. He wanted to start a business, right? Very good, children. But all he had, only well. Right? Only he had well as an asset. Children, he want to sell the well. So he is searching. Suddenly he got an idea. Besides his house, a neighbor, Gopal, is living. One day, Bajrang went to Gopal and asked, Gopal, I want to sell my well. Would you like to buy it? By hearing this, Gopal was excited. I need the well because my backyard, some vegetables are growing. I need to pour the water. So I need a well, he thought, and replied, of course, it will be very useful for the vegetable garden in my backyard, answered the Gopal. Bajrang sold the well to a huge amount. He started a business. Who started a business? Yes, Bajrang started a business. Then he became very rich. Children, after selling the well, he started a business and he became very rich. But not only he became rich, he was also become very greedy. So after getting huge money, he went to Gopal and said, Gopal, I sold you the well, not the water which is inside the well. So I need the water. You asked me to sell the well. So I sold it, but I never sold you the water. You have to pay the tax for that, for using of water. So this was the reason for both Bajrang and Gopal become quarrel. Children, do you like the story? Very good. Who is greedy in the story? Yes, Bajrang. Who was poor in the beginning? Yes, Bajrang. Who bought the well? Yes, children, Gopal bought the well from Bajrang. Okay, children, can you imagine what happened if they quarreled? They want to meet someone else. Okay, now let us go for the next reading part. We can know that where they went, where Gopal and Bajrang went and asked, who is greedy person? Bajrang. Who is happy person? Yes, Bajrang. Why? Because he was become very rich. Okay, children, did you understand? Right. So here is an assignment I am giving you. You write, practice in your notebooks. Okay now. Then after, by the next time when I comes, we will go to our reading point. Okay children? Right. Thank you.